All right, financial math classes. Today, we're continuing on with our lessons on savings accounts and compound interest. So last time we did just simple interest, just calculating out for one interest period. And we talked about compound interest, which is the interest on interest. Today, we're talking about calculating compound interest when it is compounded daily. So that interest is calculated every single day. This is the more it's compounded, the better. Many banks offer savings accounts with this daily compounding. When they compound interest daily, it is computed each day and added to the account balance. The account will earn interest from the day of the deposit to the day of the withdrawal. You can use, so there's formulas for this. You can use a simple interest formula and just calculate it day after day after day. But to make it simple for how many days are in there, there are tables that make this easy. There's also formulas we use. We're not going to use those formulas in this class. We're just going to use these tables. So here's an example straight from your assignment. This is number 7. All right, and this is just like what we did the other day with the compound interest tables. So on October 1st, Mandy Loya deposited $1,120 in a savings account that pays 5.5% interest compounded daily. On October 22nd, how much interest has been earned on the principal in her account? So make sure you read it carefully. The formula that we use up here is the amount for $1. That's going to be how much is in the account after we calculate, after we just do the principal times the table value. And then if it's asking for how much interest is earned, you need to subtract the original principal from the amount you found. So how you do this? We need to figure out the table value. Notice it's how many days. So there's a bunch of different columns, and then the amount for the day. So we're starting on October 1st and we're going all the way to October 22nd. All right. So 22 minus 1 is 21. That's 21 days. So the table value we use is 1.00316. So to find the amount, you're going to do the original principal, 1,120, times the table value, 1.00316. Let me get out my calculator. So 1,020 times 1.00316, that comes out to 1,123.54. All right, this is asking how much interest has been earned. So we need to find the interest. All you do in this case is you take your new amount in the account and subtract the original principal, and that comes out to $3.54. All right, let's do one more example because this one was a little bit harder to calculate. So you have a savings account at Federal Savings. The account earns 5.5% interest compound daily. On March 6th, had $1,645.72 in the account. How much would be in the account on July 4th? All right, that's all we need to do. So from March 6th, it's a weird way to write March 6th. So from March 6th to July 4th. I already calculated this out. It's 120 days. So we don't have to, you can just count the days, figure it out. It's not that good of a way to do it, but it's 120 days. So we are using this table 1.01823. So the amount in the account, you take your original principal, $1,645.72, multiply it by the value from the table, 1.8023. Got my calculator again. So 1,645.72 45.72 times 1.01823 comes out to $1,675.72. And then just make sure you're reading the the question carefully. How much would be in the account? We don't need to find out how much interest earned, just how much is in the account. $1,675.72. And that will do it for this lesson. We'll see you next time when we talk about annuities.